So I came across this today on Product Hunt. It's a pretty neat little plugin to Figma. It is called Musho and it uses AI. Hey, clever little tag there. UI meets AI. Uses AI to take a prompt and then create one of several things. You could make social media posts, websites, slide decks are forthcoming, things like this, doodles, some image stuff, a lot of the normal suspects, but it caught my eye because of the use of AI to generate a website. Framer did this, they were one of the first that I saw doing it. This is doing it all inside inside of Figma though. So if you're a designer, you're probably already inside Figma a good bit and mocking stuff up here. So when you load it up inside a new project, I've sped the video up here to, I think, 3 times speed, but it only took, a few minutes to take one prompt. And I just said something in a short sentence about an affiliate marketing site for software and AI products. So it's taking that and it's creating a bunch of sections. And I'm scrolling through here to show you all of the sections. And it, honestly looks pretty nice. It's even thrown an image in there and it's a decent looking AI image. And in the background here, of course, you see several images in this first little hero section. Now, it screwed up the text here, but you can just go in as you can with any Figma document and change the color. And now you can actually read the text there. You could add items instead and put a little background on it. It's just so the black would be readable, but I changed the font color. And then you can also go in and they say remix with a prompt. So you can go into one of the sections, take these membership plans. The site that I have crafted here is not going to have membership plans. So I'm going to do something that I've seen on other sites and just turn these all into $0 tiers because it's an affiliate marketing site. So we're going to get paid on the affiliate links that we bring over. It's prompting me to log in. We can do it with Google in a matter of a few seconds so that we can now use our 1 generation credit. And you can see in real time, it's going through here and changing some of the text as well as the pricing. And that pro plan, there's still 99 cents there. So it didn't actually go down to that detail and change that, but we can change that ourselves. Plans start 40% off for yearly, 20% for quarterly, and monthly is like $14.99, I think, standard pricing. Not bad. Pretty much in line with most of the things that we see right now in this realm. What do you think about Musho? I thought it was a pretty neat idea. It certainly got idea to landing page up and running very quickly. And for me, a non-designer, it did so a lot better than I could have done. I use stuff like Canva. I do use Illustrator and I've used Figma in the past, but it's not my forte. So this could be great for a non-designer to get a mock-up proof of concept over to a designer. You can see you get 10 days free. I went into the website to see what pricing actually looks like. They don't give you a lot of generation out of the gate to try out without going and throwing a credit card down. So I wasn't crazy about that. The other thing I wanted to do here, which I was not able to this morning, was try out the LinkedIn carousel creation function. You can do social media posts as well as websites, although they kind of skew towards the websites on their marketing page here. Anyway, I'm impressed. Cool little tool. I got a link down in the description. It's not an affiliate link. They don't even have an affiliate program up and running. I just thought this looked pretty neat. And if you want to check it out, go grab that link. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel while you're down there. It takes you a couple seconds and it really helps distribution out on my end. And you know what should not be automated? Your personal finances. Check this video out next where I walk through my own personal finance money tracker system that I've been using for the past 15 plus years. Have a great one. Bye.